Alright guys, I don't know if I have told you how much I enjoy using the Rockler silicone brushes, but I'm telling you, they are a lifesaver. I used to use those little metal ones with the little hairbrush on the end. Use them once and you're done with glue. These things are great. If you haven't gotten any, pick up a set. This isn't endorsed by them, but I just love using them. I'll show you guys how easy. So here they are. These are the ones I've been using on the last couple projects. This one I used the Type Bond glue on when I was spreading it on my workbench. This is the tray. When you just put this in here to dry, or you put glue in here, you just basically bend it and the glue comes right out. It's so nice and easy. And this one right here I used to spread the glue in building the workbench top. Just flex it. See how that glue just comes right out. I'll just throw it all right in here. And that is clean and ready to use again. Same thing, this is the big brush that I used to spread some of the glue on one of the other projects. Same thing, just flex it. Move it back and forth. And you can see how it just comes off. That little honeycomb. This brush is ready to use again. Got a little spatula type on the other end to put into grooves, or when you're using biscuits. Same thing, this little brush. Flex it. It's hard right now. Flex it a little bit. You can see how the glue comes right off. This one right here, epoxy on it. I'm filling this with epoxy. Got a little hole in the middle. Bend it a little bit. Grab one of the ends. Epoxy just comes right off. Ready to be used again. Great tools for spreading glue. They're very easy to use. No more of those disposable brushes. You can use these all the time. Hey guys, I would really suggest, if you don't have any of those, to get them. They are great. You don't have to use those disposable brushes anymore. These you can use over and over and over. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next project. See you guys later.